Hello, let's start the single crochet chainless foundation tutorial, which is gonna be perfect for the strap of the top. We are gonna be starting chaining 2. So first chain, second chain, then we are gonna go to the first chain and do the start of a slip stitch. You will see we do kind of a slip stitch without finishing it. We yarn over and then we will pull through the first loop and then yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. Again, here you will find that there's kind of a V, and this is where our stitch is gonna go. It can be a little bit tricky at the beginning, but then it will be fine. So here we put the stitch, then we yarn and again yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Again, let's find the V. And again, we will be repeating this step until we get the desired length. Then I will show you how we can continue in case you want the strap to be thicker. This is great to use in every project whenever you don't really know what's gonna be your desired chain length. So without having to do the chains, we just do this and then we stop whenever we find that the length of the strap, in this case, it's already enough for us. So in my case, I will continue working a little bit more and then I will show you how we are gonna do to make it thicker, just in case you like it. To make it thicker, we will do first a chain in the air, and once we have done the chain in the air, we are gonna be working single crochet in each one of the stitch that you will find on the way. So it's just gonna be basically working backwards, single crochets. You could always work also half double crochet if you want it even thicker, but I think it would be enough like that. Anyway, I'm gonna just work single crochets until I reach the top part, the body part. But if when you reach the body part you even want the strap to be thicker, what you can do again is just do a slip stitch at the body part, then chain 1, you turn your work and again you go all the way around, just doing again the single crochet or the half double crochet. This is it for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching me and thank you a lot for having bought my pattern. I really hope you enjoy it, and it would mean a lot to me if you could leave me a review on Etsy, because it helps me a lot in order to have more visibility, reach new people, and yeah, thank you so much. Goodbye.